So I've heard from a lot of people, my colleagues that are my age, and even younger people in the DJ and the wedding industry, that it seems to be changing, right? Our clients are getting younger, the millennials, all the problems people have with millennials. And the biggest and number one complaint that everybody has is they don't have time. Okay, they won't call me back. They won't, all they want is to talk via text or email. They don't give me the time. They don't have the time to do it. So we need to kind of show up the way they want if we want them to deal with us, right? If they want to text, you got to text. If they want to email, you got to email. It doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter what you need. Well, this is a place where I differ, okay? And you don't have to. But when it comes to me, for me to be able to work with a client, regardless if it's a millennial or not, I need people that I can communicate with the way I need to communicate. I mean, I don't know about you, but I create a very personal experience for my clients. And for me to get personal, I can't get that out of text. They can start there, they can give me information that they type out, but then we have to talk. And that's after they've hired me. But before they hire me, before I know I can do it for them, I've got to have this. The same thing you and I have, okay? Looking into each other's eyes and whether or not I can help them. Because at the end of a meeting, not the end of a text or an email chain, at the end of a meeting, I know whether or not I can show up and make sure that they have the greatest night of their life. And that's exactly what they're hiring you for. That's what they're hiring me for. But I can't tell somebody who I haven't met. I can't. So I know what they want. And I'm sure that the millennial thing is all true. They want a certain thing. Show up the way they want. But what do you want? And what, better yet, what do you need to be able to show up your best way? Okay? If I had to do this all via email, I can't guarantee that I'm going to show up and be perfect for them because we haven't looked in each other's eyes. But if I do, I can look them in the eyes before they hire me and say, if you hire me, it will be the best thing you've ever had. It will be amazing, and every promise and every dream and every little thing that you think might happen will happen. But I can't do that with a text, and I can't do that with an email. I do that with face-to-face, get to know you. That's what I need. What do you need? I'm okay. Just telling you the decision that I made and why I've made it. So have you made that process? Have you figured it out for yourself? I'd like to know. Tell me what you know or what you think of this in the information below. Leave me a comment. Check me out on Facebook and tell me there. Text me or email me at bill@billherman.com and tell me I'm full of it. I'm okay. As long as you're connected with me, as long as we're still talking, I can still make these things for you. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next time. Peace.